Hello everyone, I am Krithika, Assistant Professor in the Department of Food Sciences. I would like to welcome you all for another episode of Wisdom Bytes. So, in this episode, I am going to talk about the importance of iron. So, as we all know, iron is a major mineral which plays several roles to keep our body healthy. So, let's see what are the 5 to 6 major importance of iron. So we will see the first one, that is formation of hemoglobin. As we all know, iron is a major component in the hemoglobin protein which is present in the red blood cells. So the main function of hemoglobin is to carry the oxygen to all the cells in our body. So without the enough or a sufficient iron, where the hemoglobin doesn't work properly, and the oxygen amount or the content also will be less in our body. The second one is prevent anemia. So if the iron content is less in our body, then no enough production of RBCs, and which leads to anemic conditions. So anemia can lead to many problems in our body, like weakness, dizziness, pale colored skin. So these are some of the major problems if the person has a less amount of iron in the body. Next, the third one, iron also helps in the production of energy. It explains how the iron involves in the production of energy in our body. So if there is not enough iron in our body, what happens? Ultimately, it leads to less energy in our body, which leads the person to feel tired or weakness. Fourth point is iron helps in boosting of our immune system. So if we have enough amount of iron in our body, it makes our immune system strong enough to fight against the diseases or the foreign particles. So the fifth point is iron, which is important for the brain function also. So iron helps in the brain development and the function. So how it helps? Iron mainly, which helps us to improve our concentration and learning ability. So the last point is about the muscle function. So the iron is also a component of the myoglobin, which helps to carry the oxygen to the muscles in our body. So these are the major functions where we can see in case of iron. Not only the functions, they are important in our body, which is required. So next we'll see what are the sources of iron or iron-rich foods. So it majorly includes red meat, chicken, fish, and green leafy vegetables like spinach, and then beans, lentils, and also egg. So there are some of the food products which is fortified with the iron. So that also the people with anemia can consume this. How person will get to know that they are anemic or iron deficiency, they are having iron deficiency? So the symptoms includes like a headache, then the pale skin color, and shortness of breath, and also we can see hair fall, brittle nails. So these are the major symptoms. We also have like some of the unusual signs, like craving for the items like ice cubes and mud or the chalk pieces, and also crack in the end of the mouth. So these are the unusual signs. So by this I will conclude this episode. Thank you for watching the video.